How to lock apps with fingerprint or password on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to never miss an update. So first of all, open up settings on a device. Then scroll down. Now tap on security and privacy. Again scroll down and find app lock. Now simply tap on it. Now enter the password. Then tap on three dots at the top right corner. Then tap on set now. Then tap on privacy password. Now enter the password. Now tap on fingerprint. Now turn on the toggle for app lock. Then go back. Now set up the password. Again go back. Now turn on the toggle to enable app lock. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.